How to connect Venmo to US Bank.
Launch the Venmo app and log into your account if you aren't already. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner, iPhone, or bottom right corner, Android. In the menu, tap on Payment Methods. Then tap Add a bank or card, then select Bank. Choose Verification Method. You'll be given two options to verify your bank account. Instant Verification. Venmo uses Plaid to connect to your bank's online login. Enter your bank's username and password to connect instantly. Manual Verification. If you prefer not to provide your online banking credentials, you can manually link the account using your routing and account numbers. Venmo will deposit two small amounts into your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Once they appear, you'll need to verify them by entering the exact amounts in Venmo. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish connecting your bank account. Once verified, your bank account will be available as a payment method for sending or receiving funds. Thanks for watching.